Welcome back to my channel. Adinafe Edward here. Today I want us to talk about how to start your YouTube channel. If you are watching this video, that means you are interested in starting your own channel and you are doing a lot of research. Search no more. This is your final destination. Why am I saying that? I'm a small YouTuber for now. I'm a small YouTuber. But according to my experience, what I've experienced, I started my YouTube channel last year, 2022, in January. And I've learned a lot of things. And I was also like you, who did a lot of research. And I came to a conclusion that, okay, you know what? A lot of people are going to say a lot of things. But you have to know that everyone is saying things, is giving you advices from their point of privilege. Some will tell you should get this camera, you should have this phone, you should have the lights, you should... What if you don't have all that, but you still want to start your channel? What I can tell you is to just start. Whatever you are using at the moment. Because like for me, because of the research that I did, and then I decided that I need to get a camera. But I had my phone with me, but I was giving an excuse why I shouldn't start. So one of the first things, don't look into equipment. Start with your phone, the one that you are using to watch me now. You might have even a good phone than me, because like my phone is a no-name. But you are watching me. Why? Because I just started. In my mind, I was like, I need a camera, so I bought myself HD camera, this 700. Yes, I invested in that, and then I was like, I need lights before I can start. Stop excuses. Why you should not start? Why you shouldn't? Like seriously, believe you me, now I no longer use that camera. I just used it for a week or two, if not a month. But I was not satisfied. Why? Because a lot of things were involved. Like after I'm done shooting, I have to transfer the clips to what editing software in my laptop, and it was, by the time I'm uploading my video, I was so exhausted and it was time consuming for me. So I just wanted a simple way to do it. And what did I do? I was like, come on, why am I stressing myself with all these things when I can just use my phone? And then one day I just woke up, I was like, you know what, to hell with all this, let me just be comfortable and just use the resources that I have now, that I know that I will use it simply. So I started using my phone. Like the way I am shooting now, I'm using my regular cheap phone. I bought it even under 2,000 rand. So yeah, it's that cheap. Yeah, as long as it has a camera for now, you don't have to worry about a lot of things. Because now if you are worried about being perfect, you can never be perfect, because after one thing comes another. Whatever stand you are going to use, put your phone and just press record. And that's it. Whatever comes after that, you are going to sort it out. Make sure you are getting better with each upload. When you shoot using your phone now, you are going to say, maybe the lights are not that good. What should I do next? It will help you to think outside the box. Believe you me, I was looking into having expensive lights. Can I shock you? Now I'm using my natural light, like regularly, because I'm just facing my big window in my sitting room. That's what I'm facing. And I make sure I shoot my videos during the day, so that I should use the natural lights. So just position yourself in a way that at least there'll be a little bit of light. And then after that, you don't need complicated apps like editing video apps and whatever. As you can see on my videos, InstaShot, just download something that is compatible with your phone and learn how to use it. Because like for me, regularly when I'm done shooting this, I will just go to my InstaShot, I'll edit here and there, I don't even spend an hour. I do not spend an hour editing. Because why? It is simple for me because it is still in my phone. I don't need to transfer it anywhere else. I don't need to do much. So if you're looking to start your YouTube channel, start with your phone. The camera behind your phone has its purpose, and the purpose of that camera is for you to press record. So just press record, and that's how you are going to learn. When you are watching videos, when you are doing your own research, you are watching from professionals who have already gone through the process, who started the way you should start. So don't let them kill your joy. You need to go through the process, okay, if you want to get better. As you can see, the quality of my video now is not the same with the very first video I uploaded that I showed my face. Guess what? That video, like printing my very first t-shirt, if you go, I'll put the link in the description box below. You should see the quality of my video. I'll shock you if I tell you that I was using expensive lights, but it was not just giving me that thing, you understand? So I was like, so what is the problem? I'm doing everything. I bought the light, I bought the camera, the expensive camera that you wanted me to buy. What is the problem? I'm ready to start, but it was just killing me. Why? I just didn't know how to set up the stuff, maybe. I don't know. But I tried. Girl, tried. But I failed. And I just went to default settings. Now, as I'm speaking to you, as you are watching me on your iPhone. Like, dude, iPhone. And my phone has no name. What are you waiting for? Like, seriously, what are you waiting for? Another thing, be yourself. Of course, starting a YouTube channel, you have to keep in mind that it's a business that one day will grow, that one day you have to look into that. You are going to start making money and all that. But let's not focus on that. Just be yourself. Get comfortable being in front of the camera. Don't adopt YouTube culture as of being all profession and all that. What if what people are looking for is not your professionalism? They are looking into your personality. Of course, not everyone is going to like your personality. They are not for you. Those who are for you, they are going to love you to bits. Okay, so make sure you are yourself. Don't panic. Don't panic. See, I don't even have 1,000 subscribers, but I'm enjoying being in front of the camera. Why? Because this is what I enjoy doing. I just love being in front of the camera. Even if I had 2 subscribers, it's fine, but I know one day we are going to hit 1 million. Who doesn't want that? But be yourself, okay? People want to be in touch with you, with your personality, not the character that you want to impose on yourself. At the end of the day, you are going to be stuck. You are going to be stuck. Let me tell you a short story. Later, when you behave. Wait a minute, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, kindly subscribe. I beg you, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you should be the very first one to watch my videos. Okay, so another thing, this is my opinion, depending on my experience. 1 year experience. Don't niche down, because That's one thing that I did when I was starting my YouTube channel. I niched down. Guess what? After 6 months, I was stuck. I was so exhausted because I felt like I was limited to one thing when I have a hell lot of skills to share, when I have a lot of knowledge that I want to pass on so that it should transform someone. I was so stuck and I was demotivated because I niched down. Maybe it might not be the case with you. Like I said, it is my opinion. It's either you take it or leave it, but from my experience, I don't think when you're just starting niching down, it's a good idea. I don't know. It's disclaimer, according to my experience. Like for me now, this January 2023, I'm going all in. Like I'm going to share everything that I know. With time, maybe I might niche down, but at least I will know what is working. How are you going to know what is working when you are not putting yourself out there? When you are not putting everything that you know out there? Because people are going to come to your channel because they love one side of you. I have YouTube channels that I subscribed. Not that I love everything that they teach. Not that I love everything that they share. But there is a particular topic that I'm always interested in, and at least they're uploading it maybe once in a month, twice in a month, or once in a week. I'm fine, I'm cool. I still go for that content. You understand? So you need to have a different kind of topics that you can talk about so that you shouldn't be stuck like I was last year. I'm telling you, I just uploaded for 6 months. And the other 6 months, I was like, ah. But then in December last year, I had to evaluate what I really want for this year. And I was like, you know what? To hell with niching. Let me just do me. You understand? Because I was being limited. Like, I wanted to fly. I'm an eagle who wants to fly so high, but I was just limited by YouTube cultures, like you have to niche down and what have you. I'm not doing that. I'm done. I'm not doing that. I will just be me. Whosoever is going to watch, let them watch. Whosoever will not watch, that means this channel is not for you. As time goes, we are going to know. But for now, when you are just starting, I'm also a beginner. I'm also a small YouTuber, but let me just share what I know according to my experience that I've had in my 1 year experience. I know some people, they do videos like this when maybe they are 100K, they are 200, they are 50K subscribers. Why should I wait for all that? No, I can't wait for all that just to share, to pass on information, my experience. I believe this can help even someone who's just starting. You are going to get 1 or 2 things. I believe, I know, so I do not have to wait to be big for me to share my experience. 1 year is enough for me to share you what I've learned. Okay. Another thing, don't worry about like editing skills and whatever. When I was starting, I didn't have any editing skills. I didn't know how to edit video. I literally didn't know anything. But as time goes by, you are going to learn. You are going to teach yourself. Remember, you are using your own phone. You have downloaded the app that you are going to be using for video editing. So you are going to teach yourself how to do this. You understand? Just go on the same YouTube or whatever app you are going to download. Just check it out, how to use it. It's simple. So don't complicate your own life with a lot of equipment, very expensive stuff. Because, dude, it didn't work for me. It didn't. I'm telling you, I know. Wait. Trust me, I know I'm right on this one. So, yeah. Apart from that, enjoy the process. That's the fifth thing that I can share with you. You just have to enjoy the process. Don't be frustrated. Be patient. Know that you are just starting and one day you are going to get somewhere. Have a big vision, but start small. Okay? Don't be under panic. Okay? We are all going the same direction. No need to be under panic. As long as you are manifesting in your lane, there's no overtake. You understand? So chill, allow yourself to learn the best way you know how, because you are the one who is going to share your experience to someone 1 year after. But what I can tell you is that don't let everything that you are watching, all the research that you are doing to intimidate you. Just press record. It's that simple. You are going to learn how to edit your videos using the app that you are going to download. Okay, don't be too hard on yourself. Press record and start whatever you want to start. Don't niche down. You are going to be stuck. Okay? Unless if you have content for days, but just do it. Just upload whatever is going to work. You are going to niche down to that. I'm not condemning niching down, but I'm just saying, as you are starting, I would prefer you don't niche down, so that you should see what works. Okay? And then after that, when you are there, that's when you can niche down, but not now. Not now. You need that experience. So with my 1 year experience, this is what I have to share. I believe this video was helpful. It is going to help someone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's grow this channel together. The goal is to reach 1 million subscribers. Yeah. That should be a start. Think big, but start small. Okay. I first got my 100 subscribers under 4 months, but there are other people who are going to tell you that they got their 100 subscribers under a week or 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. It depends with the content that you are posting and how consistent you are. But don't beat yourself too hard when you are doing this thing. We are going to get there, but at our own pace. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe. Bye.